And finally, Alkanes are here, and they're catching on fast. Let's see the volume on some of these images here.
Yeah, they're doing a comparison to, the top runes, and they're pretty close.
Yeah, neck and neck.
Neck and neck. So, yeah, we made a video about Alkanes about a month ago. So, even though we're saying there seems to be like a collective alignment in support of one token for this one meta protocol, don't forget that other meta protocols and other asset classes do exist in the Bitcoin ecosystem.
Yeah, and correct. And if I remember, I think Alkanes does kind of support runes to one degree or another. I would need to look into it, but that is why we bring this up to you. And this is, all the links will be in the description, but we want you to click on it and actually do your research on this stuff, because as a new ecosystem, things are extremely volatile. And as you can see, the thesis here is that if everyone's aligned with DOG and it does really well, it could pique the attention of, I guess, additional people in the market, right? And bring people into Bitcoin, and that makes everybody have more fun.
Yeah, I think that says just about all, right? Because I mean, it's been a while since we've done like a Bitcoin focused ecosystem video, right? Because we're really trying to understand, we do understand, first of all, how important the Bitcoin ecosystem is going to play into the evolution of our markets here. Just because Bitcoin, this is the cycle of Bitcoin, like it's being actualized into its elite form of a digital gold. We have real institutional adoption happening in real time. We have real the elite class starting to embrace this thing, and that hasn't happened up until now, right? So expect more of that continuing to this cycle. It's only going to strengthen the value prop of anything really associated to Bitcoin. These specific class of assets, that is the main narrative support for their justified existence, right? It's all happening on Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's kind of a big deal, right?
Right,
It's getting wider adoption from a government level and then even institution level, obviously. And so it kind of makes sense, the thesis that you want to have some sort of active ecosystem on the platform that is getting institutional adoption.